Hi, my friends, it's Mr. P. This week, I'm going to be reading to you Bear Snores On. And I have one of my bear friends here, because he loves this book. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So he thought coming into the bear's cave would be a good place to get away from the winter storm. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Don't forget that bear's still in there. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Hare is another word for rabbit. This particular rabbit apparently likes popcorn and tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. Excuse me. But the bear snores on. All those sounds, the mouse and the rabbit, the hare, the fire, pip-pop, pip-pop. But the bear keeps snoring, he keeps sleeping. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So more people, that means more noise. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. I don't know if I could sleep through all that. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Den is another word for cave. In this case, a bear's cave, a bear's den. Look at them all making themselves right at home. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at that storm going on, and they're just partying away. Imagine all that noise. And he still didn't wake up. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! All that noise, and it was a little pepper flake that made him sneeze. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. That's how Mr. P is when he first wakes up. This is apparently how the bear wakes up too. How would you feel if everyone was in your house having a party without you? You snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers, and he moans, he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. So Bear's not so much mad that they're there, but that he missed out on the party. And Mouse, trying to be a good friend, says, hey, we can just do more stuff. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. There they all are partying through the night. Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.